This is a demonstration of logging into the WVU High Performance Computing Cluster resources. I have requested access to the clusters, and I will now log into them using my WVU MyID credentials. This is the email confirmation which I received from the HPC administrators. I will follow this wiki link which was provided for instructions on how to log in. On the wiki page, I will look for instructions on how to connect, and under the heading Getting Started, there is a link called Connecting, which I will now follow. We see that access to the cluster is provided using the SSH protocol. I have a username, and now I need to find a hostname. For the hostname, I will use the name for the Spruce Knob cluster, which is spruce.hpc.wu.edu. The first message I receive when connecting using SSH is a usage policy for the cluster. Note that data which is confidential or restricted cannot be used on the, stored on the cluster. I'll now provide my MyID password to log in. Note that on my first login, a public-private RSA key pair was automatically generated for me, which can be used to log into the cluster without providing a password. Now, since I already have an SSH key personally, I am going to delete the key that was generated for me. The release of Linux used on the cluster is Red Hat Enterprise Server version 6.6, codename Santiago, which uses kernel version 2.6.32. This concludes the demonstration of login to the HPC cluster. Thanks.